A walnut farmer visited God and asked him to do this. Please let me change the weather for just 1 year. The farmer was so desperate that God allowed him to control everything about the weather for a year. The sun appeared if he wanted sunlight, and it rained if he wanted rain. There was neither wind nor thunder that dropped walnut berries. Everything was smooth. All the farmer did was lie down under the shade of a tree and sleep. It was not long before autumn came. The walnut farming was a bumper year. The farmer was excited with joy and broke a walnut to eat. Oh, my God! There was no walnut kernel. The farmer went to God and asked what was going on. Then God smiled and said, "There is no kernel in what has no ordeal. Only when there is a stormy ordeal and drought-like pain is the soul in the peel awakens and hardens." There are many different attitudes that we can take about the ordeal. Some people can't stand the ordeal and act self-destructive. Others turn the cause of the ordeal to the outside world and look for someone to blame or replace it. But this attitude doesn't help us at all. If you're in a situation of some kind of ordeal, accept it calmly and go head on. Success is a fruit given to those who have endured the ordeal.